We back with another VVS Diamond video and a VVS launch pad. But before we get into it, y'all already know what you need to do. I need y'all to spam that like button, give me your 200 likes, subscribe and share, and tell a friend about that money man you already know. Cause y'all already know we trying to get a check. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling y'all to buy, sell, trade, swap to get to your grandmama or your granddaddy. I'm just doing this for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Now let's get into it. Y'all already see what it is. Single Finance is launching on VVS launch pad, the IGO, the initial gem offering. If you don't know what that is, go watch my initial gem offering video. I explain it in detail. I dumb it down, I simplify it, you know what I'm saying, because I'm still learning just like y'all learning, and we all trying to learn and grow together so we can be wealthy in the long run. But before we get into this news right here, y'all already know crypto market, stock market, all that down. Depends on you watching the video. Right now, y'all see it's down 2% on almost 3% on the day. VVS Finance that is, but it's down. GG, y'all know we think shoot these things straight through, but it's down more than that overall. But right now, some more people that got in it, but at the same time, the market cap done went down. We're going 61,422 people in it, and I don't know what's going on with this coin besides that the whole market down, but it seems like a lot of people done pulled out of the liquidity and the market cap has taken a tumble. Some of y'all said down in the comments on my last video about the impermanent loss. No, I did not sell anything. I just pulled. All I did was pull my LP stake out of the farms, and I broke up the coins. That's all I did because I want to get into the stable coins LP. That's all I did. I didn't sell no Crow. I didn't sell no VVS. All I did was move my VVS that I got when I separated it and put it back into the auto VVS staking. Because if you don't know what impermanent loss means, then go watch that video and I explain that. And so that's what I did. I didn't sell anything. I didn't sell nothing. All I did was just unstake and unbonded my coins. That's it. So now I just got my Crow sitting there and I got my VVS in there. But I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to get into the stable coins LP. Now I recommend everybody to do that. And then if you want to know why I recommend that, go, like I said, go watch that impermanent loss video. It's hot right now, you know what I'm saying? But as y'all can see what I'm earning right there. But let's get on to why y'all clicked on this video. The VVS Finance Launchpad, it has an IGO. They bringing single finance to the market, I guess you can say, the crypto market. We are excited to announce single finance as our first initial gem offering to be hosted on VVS. The IGO mechanism explained here. What is single finance? Single finance is a super intuitive platform for all DeFi investments, minimizing correlations to the general market. Everything on single finance is worked out from the user's injected capital in USD. Everything is visualized and everything is within your fingertips. Single finance, single click, Persado market neutral strategies are built on three major facilities. So you got single pools, strategy vaults, leveraged yield farming vaults, and lending pools. God dang, you better get it out now. Single bots, automated bots, including capital protection bots and rebalancing bots to monitor the market situation to protect the user's capital in USD. LP time machine performance, analytics tool of liquidity pools across all EVM. I don't know what that means. Compatible chains. The tool shows the full breakdown of backward simulated PNL based on capital market marked to USD, including LP rewards, DEX rewards, and value change due to price impact. I don't know what I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what no EVM is or PNL, stimulated PNL, backward stimulated PNL. I don't know what that is. So we might have to look that up. Y'all leave a comment down below if y'all know what that is. You know what I'm saying? So we already know what we just read what single finance is, man. Drive the economy, incentives for participants on single finance, rewards be paid out in single, and through staking single, users gain access to exclusive single click strategies and provide higher returns, low risk, and able to claim an exclusive single finance NFT with within a certain period. So they got Single finance gonna end up having NFTs. Everybody doing NFTs right now. And I want to introduce y'all to that Crodex NFT, but a lot of y'all ain't messing with Crodex like that. So I don't even know if I want to make that video. I might not get them many views on it. I'm trying to get with the views, because I'm trying to give me a check. I need it. After that dude stole my money from them shoes, but I'm telling y'all, I'm getting it back though. It is what it is. My real true savage know what's up. The initial minute supply of single tokens is what that is, 1 trillion. No, 1 billion. I can't never get that right from why. You know what I'm saying? Until I get that much money, I ain't gonna know how to say it straight from the jump. But y'all see what it is. That's 1 billion. Details. 40%, 400 million single will be reserved for mining purposes. 22.3%, that's 223 million, will be reserved for partnerships and ecosystem fund. Another 22%, 220 million, will be reserved for single finance team. 2%, 20 million, will be reserved for expanding liquidity pairs across different AMM-DEX platforms. 10.7%, that's 107 million, will be reserved for providing initial liquidity and bootstrap fees. 1%, that's 10 million, will be reserved for this IGO. 2%, 20 million, will be reserved for advice from the single finance advisors. So I guess that's the breakdown of the tokenomics. You know what I'm saying? What they got all that 1 billion single tokens gonna be broke down into. You know what I'm saying? So they got 40% for mining. So they expected a lot of people to be mining on the single platform. You know what I'm saying? So that's what that is. The details. So what you want to know about the initial gem offering? The sale date starts 12 p.m. UTC. Look that up. Whatever time zone you in. Crypto runs on UTC time. So look, if you in the US or wherever you at, look to what 12 p.m. UTC time is for you on Tuesday, January 18th, 2022. The sale end date will be January 19th. Opening period for the IGO 24 hours. Amount to be raised 500,000 USD in Crow VVS LP tokens. That made me think I should have kept some, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Cause if you don't know, the way you buy these initial gem offerings is that you had to have the Crow VVS LP token put together. Like I said, I took mine apart, but the only reason why I did that because I told y'all I wanted to get into the LP with the stable coins, but I didn't want to keep. I don't do my first time. I'm still learning. I didn't want to keep my Crow and VVS still together, and the price kept dropping. I ain't want to do that, so I just undid it. If I want to get back in, I ain't got no problem just creating the pair. You know what I'm saying? That ain't got nothing. That ain't nothing. That is what it is. You know what I'm saying? That ain't nothing to me. But the price per token, one single is 5 cents. So now we got a price of what single, how much the price for the token for single finance is 5 cents for right now. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no telling what it's gonna do on January 18th after they bring it to the market or whatever. So in the gem fair, each person can contribute a maximum of 200 USD equivalent of Crow VVS LP. Stake 10 million VVS in any VVS glitter mine for at least 7 days before the single finance IGO sale. The first snapshot will be taken 12 p.m. USD January 11th. I ain't got 10 million. Some of y'all, I know y'all were talking about y'all got all that such and such. You know what I'm saying? But so basic sale, I guess this is what you got to do. If you want to get in early, you got to have that 10 million VVS stake and a maximum of 200 USD worth of Crow and VVS LP. But if you don't got that, I guess it's open for every unlimited. Limited. They got limited. I think they say meant unlimited sale gem warehouse. Then you gotta have the LP unlimited, but entry is open. So I guess that means everybody can get in. You know what I'm saying? I'm just looking at this for the first time like y'all looking at it. But y'all can do your own research, do your own due diligence like you need to anyway, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just going over what I'm seeing right here. So yeah, like I said, unlimited sale. But it tell you in detail what you need to get in. But me, man, I might just, since it's 5 cents, since it's just 5 cents, I ain't gonna do all that, man. I'm just gonna wait till they bring it and I can just buy it or swap VVS for it, man. Cause I mean, if you want to go through all these steps, go ahead. But me, man, I just wait and just swap VVS for it. I'm still earning VVS regardless. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's only 5 cents, but I'll just rather swap to make it easier, man. Cause I don't got to do all this. But you can do it if you want to. Like I said, this you. This ain't me. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just telling you what I would do. Or I had to see more, even though they telling me. But you know, I got to see what the token gonna do. Cause y'all see what VVS doing, but we diamond hand the VVS. For y'all, the real true savage, y'all diamond VVS. That's why you watching these videos. And you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of other tokens that I want to get in too. So if you really hard on single finance, go ahead. You know what I'm saying? I ain't telling you not to do it, and I ain't telling you to do it. But you go ahead and do it if you want to. Here's the eligibility: participating in IGO, stake there. Like we just do. I just read it. So you gotta have at least 10 million VVS staked in the glitter mine for a week. So basically, you need to go ahead and do that like right now, because the 18th is coming fast. Just like this, the time in the world is going by fast. You know what I'm saying? But so it looked like, oh, okay, single farm / mine post IGO, VVS single and single USDC liquidity. So they're gonna add these to the crystal farms. Okay. Stake VVS earn. See what I'm saying? Stake VVS earn single glitter mine will start emissions roughly 30 minutes after IGO sale. The mine will last. See what I'm saying? You ain't got to do all that. You could just stake your VVS and earn single glitter mine. Look at that. See how we kept going, man? This right here. This the easiest way. Just stake the VVS you already got. Just stake the VVS you already got and mine it for free. You know what I'm saying? But if you got that 10 million and you got that 10 million VVS to get into it, go ahead, bro. Go ahead. And you want to spend your Crow VVS LP, go ahead. But me, that's what I like to see right here, bro. Some I already got. If I already got the VVS, I'm just going to earn it. Just like I was doing Beaver Finance and y'all see me doing Tonic. So, stake VVS, earn single in the glitter mine. That's the easiest way. Y'all know I keep it real straight raw, man. That's the easy way, but I ain't want to keep y'all too long. Y'all already know what it is. My savage! Stop playing with me. My savages! Moneymane and the thing of a T and playing no games. Should I already know my name when I speak then CC flame. Got my YouTube poppin', man. Like, subscribing, everything in between. You already know Moneymane. You